Welcome to the mix, and here we have Gracie.
Look for myself, sir. Let me tell you, sir, if you come out for black for me. Me not want you black for me. Can't black for me. Me can't black for myself. Me not want you black in my defense. No, I don't want you black in my defense. I don't want that. I don't want you black in my defense. Can't black for myself. You know, see, all of me fight them, I'm fight for you, me alone fight them. You see, nobody take up nothing for me, I fight it. Me fight all them for myself. When I said, no, the one the other day when 13 get in an argument and them draw 13 argument and 13 never not defend me. 13 not defend herself. Yes. Them draw in an argument and she defend herself. Yes, she defend herself. All of my buckle them fight for me alone do it. I'm afraid of none of them. So I know, oh, you're jumping at things. You're jumping at things. You can't carry me down, dirty, stinking Shanty. Pampas girl Shanty, you can't carry me down. You cannot do it and you will never do it. Yes. When you send our father tape, but look here, look where your daughter, look what you look and send you love man. So only a batty man that send a man that. And then you love talk about say you're straight. You don't straight. Why you not get up as a straight man? I can't tell you say and get up and send one man one sex tape. Eh? Why would you send a man a sex tape and use a straight man? To that a race day. Use a straight man and you send a man a sex tape. Why would you as a straight man according to what you say? And you send man sex tape, you get up in hours and nights to send man sex tape. You get kicks in the hours and night and the only person you could have get to send one sex tape was a man. You know, see logic this of it. You get up in the hours and night to give man sex tape. You know, see you're sick. You know, see you're sick. You know, see you're sick. You're sick. Where say I'm jealous because I say I'm speak tonight, but me not tell him say something there, but nobody not look for him. Him sick. Because how could you get up in the hours and night to send man sex tape? You get up in the hours and night and the only thing you could have